esteemed scholars, students, and aficionados of ancient thought. Today we traverse the corridors of time to explore the legacy of a pivotal, yet often under-recognized figure in the annals of history, Andronicus of Rhodes. His influence, primarily archival, but profoundly impactful, provides a lens to the preservation and transformation of knowledge. Backdrop: the Peripatetic tradition. Before we delve into Andronicus, it's crucial to familiarize ourselves with the Peripatetic school. Founded by Aristotle, the school derived its name from the act of walking, which was Peripatetic, a nod to Aristotle's penchant for strolling discussions in the Lyceum. Andronicus, an archivist philosopher. While not an original philosopher in the mold of Plato or Aristotle, Andronicus' significance lies elsewhere. In his meticulous dedication to preserving and cataloging. In the tumultuous period following Aristotle's death, many of his works faced potential obscurity. Andronicus, recognizing the incalculable value of these treatises, took it upon himself to compile, categorize, and edit them, culminating in what we now recognize as the corpus Aristotelium. The corpus Aristotelium and its significance. This collection is not just a repository of Aristotelian thought. It represents the foundation of various disciplines: metaphysics, ethics, politics, and biology, to name a few. Consider for a moment the intellectual trajectory of the Western world without access to Aristotle's metaphysics or Nietzschean ethics. Andronicus ensured that such a bleak scenario would never be materialized. The ordering of knowledge. Andronicus didn't merely save texts. He organized them, showcasing an early appreciation for the taxonomy of knowledge. This organization set the stage for subsequent commentaries, facilitating a deeper understanding and fostering rigorous scholarly engagement. Influence beyond the ancients. While the immediate beneficiaries of Andronicus' archival endeavors were Hellenistic and Roman scholars, the ripple effect of his work extend far beyond antiquity. Medieval Islamic philosophers, Christian scholars, and Renaissance thinkers all drew heavily from the well of Aristotelian wisdom, a well preserved and catalogued by Andronicus. In the realm of philosophy, we often celebrate originators, those who birthed new ideas, but today, we've journeyed through the life of a curator, a steward of wisdom, Andronicus of Rhodes. His work underscores a salient truth, that the preservation and dissemination of knowledge are as vital as its creation. As the gatekeeper of the Peripatetic tradition, Andronicus ensures that the wisdom of yesteryears continues to enlighten, challenge, and inspire generations. Let us remember, in our age of digital abundance, the value of safeguarding the treasures for the past, for in them lie the seeds for future enlightenment. Thank you.